डियर स्टूडेंट, जैसा कि आपको पता है, माई सेल्फ जितेंद्र वर्मा, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन योर कॉलेज। आज हम लोग ये टॉपिक लेंगे कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ फाइटोकेमिस्ट्री। पहले हमने साइटोलॉजी का देखा, फिर इसी क्रम में हम कंटिन्यूएशन ऑफ फाइटोकेमिस्ट्री लेंगे, इसका क्या योगदान है एंजियोस्पर्म टैक्सोनॉमी। बेसिकली ये मॉडर्न टूल्स हैं जिसकी सहायता से हम टैक्सोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं। शुरुआती क्लासों में जैसा हमने बताया कि इस तरह का सिलेबस है और हम 3rd यूनिट चला रहे हैं। आपको पता होना चाहिए कि फ्रेम कि किस जगह हम पढ़ रहे हैं, कैसी जगह क्या है। तो इस क्रम में अगर आप पढ़ेंगे तो आपकी ज़्यादा आसानी रहेगी और एक फ्रेम रहेगा कि ये हम चीज़ें ऐसे पढ़नी है। अभी लर्निंग स्टेज में, कुछ रिवीजन स्टेज में रखनी है आपको। जैसे अभी ये पढ़ा दिया तो इसका रिवीजन शुरू करेंगे। और कोई प्रॉब्लम आए तो हमने कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर दे रखे हैं, उसमें भी आप फिक्स टाइम में पूछ सकते हैं। और अगर कोरोना ये काल ये ख़त्म हो गया, क्लासेस भी शुरू होंगी और उसमें भी आप ये पूछ सकते। तो इसलिए आपको बार बार सिलेबस बताया जा रहा है कि ये हमारा टारगेट रहेगा पूरा पढ़ने का। और इस तरह का क्वेश्चन पैटर्न भी हमने पहले बता ही दिया है कि इस तरह के क्वेश्चन 10 आएंगे छोटे छोटे, फिर 2-2 क्वेश्चन हर यूनिट्स में से आते हुए 10 क्वेश्चन आएंगे, इसमें एक एक करना है। और ये इस तरह से 4 क्वेश्चन बड़े आएंगे जिसमें से 2 करने हैं। ये इस तरह का सिलेबस का पैटर्न है जो कि आपके फर्स्ट ईयर में भी रहा है। तो अब हम ये लेंगे कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ फाइटोकेमिस्ट्री। Taxonomy yesterday, today and tomorrow. Historically, plant taxonomy start so simple as to need of the people to those plants. Gradually, this branch begins to be in the form of the scientific work, organize plant identify, distribution, morphology and physiology very precise. With the invention of the microscope, scientists were able to see the small processes, internal structure, development and stage in the cell division, and becomes important subject for the plant study. Within the last 50 years, plant taxonomists have begun to look into more precise technique in order to understand the relations between the genera and families. A lot of question has been brought in mind, which is more advanced and which are less. What is the origin of plant? The more related and which must kept apart, and many other questions are kept in mind. These have made the taxonomists to go further inside the internal structure of plant and especially the chromosome structure. In the second half of the 20th century, molecular biology revolutionized the study of the plants at all levels by discovering the structure of DNA, RNA, and steps in protein synthesis. Taxonomists evolutionists and ecologists, physiologists, and development biologists are now using molecular techniques and are discovering many responses and mechanisms that were not accessible in the past. इस तरह से ये मॉडर्न ब्रांचेज का यूज करते हैं. टुडे द मॉडर्न टैक्सोनॉमिस्ट रियलाइज दैट द अल्टीमेट टैक्सोनॉमी ऑफ हायर प्लांट must be based on the understanding of morphology, anatomy, embryology, cytology, and breeding behavior, beside biochemistry and other features. Over the last few decades, affinities between the plant groups has been redefined and more information is accumulated in the various sources. Newer approaches recent years include the increasing reliance on the phytochemical information, that is the chemotaxonomy, studies on the ultrastructure and micro morphology, statistical analysis of phylogenetic data to construct phylogenetic relationship diagram. Data continues to flow from the different disciplines so that the process of analysis and synthesis is an ongoing activity. Taxonomy is such a field of unending synthesis. The following disciplines have contributed to a greater or lesser extent to a better understanding of the taxonomy affinities between the plant. अब क्वेश्चन अराइज होता है कि फाइटोकेमिस्ट्री क्या है. फाइटो मीन्स प्लांट, ये ध्यान रखें. फाइटो मीन्स प्लांट और केमिस्ट्री मीन्स केमिकल से रिलेटेड है. तो इसलिए कह सकते हैं, इंटर में पूछा जाता है कि फाइटोकेमिस्ट्री इज द स्टडी ऑफ फाइटोकेमिकल विच आर द केमिकल्स डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द प्लांट. Those studying phytochemistry they describe the structure of these. Phytochemicals are the chemicals of plant origin. Greek shabd phytos, phytos means plant or chemical means plant. Phytochemicals are defined as the bioactive nutrient plant chemicals in fruit, vegetable, grains and others. They provide desirable health benefit beyond the basic nutrition to reduce the risk of the major chronic diseases. तो इस तरह से ये फाइटोकेमिकल्स है। अब देन आता है कीमो टैक्सोनॉमी जो अपना मेन पार्ट है। कीमो वही केमिकल और टैक्सोनॉमी वही टैक्सोनॉमी की स्टडी। कीमो टैक्सोनॉमी प्लांट इज एन expanding field of the study and seek to utilize the chemical information to improve upon the classification of plant. Chemical evidence has in fact been used ever since men first began to classify the plant as edible or inedible, obviously based on the chemical differences. Chemical information about the medicinal plant in herbs published nearly 5 centuries back was concerned with the localization and application of the physiological active secondary metabolites such as the saponins and alkaloids. Knowledge about the chemistry of the plants greatly increased during the 18th and 19th century. The greatest interest has been generated over the last 40 years. However, with the development of the improved techniques for studying the biological molecule, especially protein and nucleic acid, in recent years, interest has focused on the study of allochemy and realization of the concept that animal kingdom and plant kingdom have experienced a chemical co-evolution. Plants continuously evolve new defense chemicals mechanisms to save themselves from predators and evolve methods to overcome these defenses. In the process, some plants may have developed animal hormones, thus disturbing the hormonal level of animal if ingested. A large variety of the chemical compounds are found in plants and unique, often biosynthetic forms. Producing these compounds differ in the various plant groups. In many instances, biosynthetic pathways corresponding well and establishing a scheme of the classification. Based on the morphology, the natural chemical constituents are the conveniently divided under the micromolecules. Micro means chota. Compounds with low molecular weights. Primary metabolites compound involve vital metabolic pathway जो कि vital metabolic pathway के अंदर बनते हैं, जैसे citric acid है, aconitic acid. Secondary metabolites है compounds which are the byproduct of metabolite by and other perform non vital functions. सेकेंडरी मेटाबोलाइट्स हैं ये, जैसे एल्केलॉइड से, ग्लूकोसाइनोड से, टर्पीन से. मैक्रोमोलिक्यूल कंपाउंड विद हायर मोलिक्यूल जिसका इतने से ज़्यादा मोलिक्यूल वेट होता है. The utilization of the studies of DNA, RNA for understanding the phylogenetic relation receives a great boost last decade, meriting the establishment of the new field referred to as the molecular systematic and would be dealt separately with the chemotaxonomy. Only proteins would be described in this section. Primary metabolites. Primary metabolites include the compounds which are involved in the vital metabolic pathway. Most of them are universal in plants and little taxonomic importance. Aconitic acid and citric acid were the first discovered from the aconitum and the citrus respectively participate in the Krebs cycle of respiration and are found in the all aerobic organisms. The same is true of the 12, 22 or so amino acid forming proteins and the sugar molecules which are involved in the Calvin cycle of the photosynthesis. The quantitative variation of these primary metabolites may, however, have the taxonomic significance. Sometimes Gilgiocoa and Vinduresa poaceae, alanine is the first main amino acid in the leaf extract, proline in the seed extract, and asparagine in the flower extract. Rosaceae is similarly rich in the arginine. Secondary metabolites. Secondary metabolites perform non-vital function and are less widespread in plant as compared to the primary metabolites. These are generally the byproduct of metabolism. They were earlier considered to be the waste product, having no important role. Recently, however, it was realized that they are important. in chemical defense against the predators, pathogens, and allelopathic agents, and also help in the pollination and dispersal. Gertz and John have provided a comprehensive review of the significance of the secondary metabolites in higher classification of angiosperm. The following major category of the secondary metabolite are of taxonomic importance: non-protein amino acid. Lathyrins is also known only for the Lathyrus cannabis occurs only in the Fabaceae is shown to be a protective against the insect larvae. These amino acids are usually concentrated in the storage roots and such as the roots extract are generally used for their study. Phenolics का यह है कि phenolics compounds form a loose class of the compound based upon the phenols. Simple phenolics are made up of a single ring and differ in position and number of OH groups. These are the water soluble and are localized in vacuoles in the cell and are found in the combination with sugar as the glycosides. Glycosides क्या है? These are the widely distributed in plant kingdom. Common example are the cathecol, हाइड्रोक्विनोन जिसका कि आपने अभी नाम भी काफ़ी सुन रखा होगा कोरोना फेज में, बहुत अच्छा केमिकल जो यूज हो रहा है इन दिनों. फ्लोरोग्लूसियोनॉल, पायरेगेलोल, coumarins, a group of natural phenolics, have characteristic smell. The crushed leaves of the Anthoxanthium odoratum can thus be identified as the characteristic odor. More than the 300 coumarins have been reported from the nearly 80 families of the plants. They are a group of lactones formed by the ring of closure of the hydroxycinnamic acid. Lignin. Lignin is the highly branched polymer of the three simple phenolic alcohols, whereas the gymnosperm lignin is composed of the coniferyl alcohol subunit. The angiospermic lignin is a mixture of so and so. The alcohol are utilized to free radicals by peroxidase enzyme and are the freed radical react to form lignin. Flavonoids, the more extensively studied compound or are based on the flavonoid nucleus, consist of two benzene rings jointly by the C3 open and closed structure. Common example of the flavonoid, mainly colorless and commonly occurring copigments, yield bright yellow spread in the chromatogram. Flavones, glycoflavins, bioflavonoids, isoflavonols, flavonones, chalconones and oranones, anthocyanins and leucoanthocyanins, etc. Anthocyanin and anthocyanins are important pigments in the cell shape of the petals, providing red-blue colors in the large number of families of angiosperm. They are forming anthocyanidin, combining with the different sugars at different places. 6 main categories of anthocyanin forming molecules are recognized, providing different colors. Cyanidin magenta, पेलानिन ऑरेंज रेड प्रोवाइड करता है, डेल्फिनिडियम पर्पल ब्लू करता है और मोवेल पेटोनिडिन जो है पर्पलिश और पियोनिडिन मैजेंटा. दीज पिगमेंट्स आर एब्सेंट इन सम फैमिलीज एंड आर रिप्लेस्ड बाय द हाईली डिफरेंट कंपाउंड बीटा साइनिन्स एंड बीटा ज़ैंथिन विच कंसिस्ट ऑफ द हेट्रोसाइक्लिक नाइट्रोजन कंटेनिंग रिंग्स. In all members of the centrospermes and the suggested a compromise by the including all the families within the subclass Caryophyllidacea. Mary 1976 on the basis of DNA RNA hybridization studies found closer affinities between these families and suggested the placement of these families under the Caryophyllaceae and with the betalain containing family under the suborder of the Chenopodiaceae and two non-betalain families under the Caryophyllinaceae. The final compromise has made mixed response in Distantia with the morphological, anatomical and DNA-RNA hybridization. Takhtanjan 1997 placed only Chenopodiaceae and Amaranthus in the Chenopodiaceae. Dahlgren at 1989 and Conquest 88 and APG System 2nd 2008 did not recognize suborder and Thorne 2007 recognized suborder Caryophyllaceae and Moluginaceae separated under different suborder. It is interesting to note that the beta lecithin have been reported in the basidiomycetes. In some cases, the same substance is found in both fungi and angiosperm. The above studies on the significance of the distribution of betalains in the centrospermal bring home to the fact that chemical data are useful in the taxonomic realignment with such accord with data from the other field. The significance is reduced when the large evidence from the elsewhere contradict mechanical evidence. Thus, whereas no questions were asked about the removal of the Gyrostemonaceae and inclusion of the Cactaceae and Dideraceae, here there has been no agreement about the removal of the Caryophyllae and Molugnaceae, as it goes against the evidence from the morphological anatomy, ultrastructure and DNA RNA hybridization. This also highlights the danger of the relying too much upon the type of protein. Studies on the phenolic compounds have helped in the solving the some specific problems. Genus Iris, the chemical evidence supported the division into the various sections, but Iris flavicina originally based on the section Pogonaceae resembles a species of the regalia on the basis of the phenolic characteristic. Chromosomal evidence also supported this transfer. The technique of the two-directional paper chromatography, which brings about a more pronounced separation of the flavonoid, has proved very useful in the taxonomic studies of the Hymenophyton, was considered by some researchers to be the monotypic genus, but these by others the two species. The alkaloids are generally classified on the basis of predominant ring system present in the molecule. They are synthesized from the few common amino acids like the tyrosine, tryptophan and ornithine, arginine and lysine tobacco alkaloid. Nicotiana is synthesized from the nicotinic acid and caffeine from the purine. Isoquinoline alkaloid, morphine, codeine, and flavin are found in the opium family. Their distribution is often specific and thus taxonomically significant. Collanium is the simplest known alkaloid found in the Conium maculatum. Alkaloids are present in the specialized part of the plant. High nicotine content is found only in the older leaves. In Dhatura, alkaloids occur only in the seeds. Alkaloids are more widely distributed in dicot as compared to the monocot. Some of them are the medicinal importance at the low concentration, but the toxic and high concentration, some such as the lycopene and scopolamine and atropine pose poisonous of the living stone. Alkaloids are generally extracted from the plants in a weak acid, alcoholic solution and precipitated by NH3. Mears and Murby, in studies of the conducted on the family Fabaceae, observed that the alkaloid histidine occurs only in the three genera. The latter, however, lacks matrine and characteristic of the family. This indicates that transfer of the last gene also to the genistein warranted the family Papaver and Fumaraceae are closely related. This affinity is supported by the occurrence of the alkaloid protophin in both. Glucosinolates are a sulfur compound containing compound found in the 15 families of angiosperm, mainly concerned with the order Caparales. Mustard oil and othiocyanates are the hydrolyte product of the glucosinolates, originally Cruciferae, Caparidaceae and Papaveraceae, and Fumaraceae were placed in the same order. On the basis of the presence of glucosinate and Papaveraceae and Fumaraceae in the order of the Papaverales and some of the Papaveraceae in the of the ranunculales. On the basis of absence of the glycosinolates and the presence of the alkaloid benzylsilicon and beta-cyanine and the gyrostemonaceae were once placed in the centrospermales but subsequently removed due to the absence of the beta-lins. This removal was supported by the presence of the glucosinolates which are absent in the caryophyllets. Cyanogenic glycosides are phytotoxin which occurs at least in 2000 1000 plant families of terpenes are isomeric unsaturated hydrocarbons on the basic 5 carbon isoprene. Betalain the Betulatum piperia and 40C tetraterpenoids and polyC polyterpenoid rubber. They have been largely used in the distinguishing specific and subspecific entities, geographic research and detection of the hybrid. Studies on citrus have been found in determination of the origin of certain cultivars. Studies on Juniperus vaginea and Junipers have been previously hypothesized about the extensive hybridization and interrogacy between the two species. The Old World and New World population, Old World population produce the xanthocyanin, oxalocyanin, whereas the New World population contain the xanthine and the stereoisomine. Plants of the Chinese complex containing xanthine are also believed to be the source of the introduced Chinese population in India and Australia. Triterpenoids occur in the several family. Butylene occurs only in the bark of the white birch and its relatives. The occurrence of the iridoids in the several unlimited family, for example, Hemelidaceae and Meliaceae, however, suggests that the thyroidoids could have arisen independently and several times in the evolution of angiosperm. The occurrence of a distinctive iridoids ecumenoids in the Butgea have been taken into the support its transfer from the Logeniaceae to the Boudleaceae, Equidaceae and Jenny Poissy have shown antitumor activities. इस तरह से ये है कि proteins are the macromolecules made up of amino acid linked into a chain by peptide bond, thus forming the polypeptide chain organized into 3 because of their complex special technique are necessary for isolation. These methods including the serology, electrophoresis है. तो इस तरह से इनकी स्टडी करके वो टेक्सोनॉमी में हम हेल्प लेते हैं और उसके प्रॉपर प्लेसमेंट में कुछ जेनेरा तक हम प्रूव हो पाए हैं. जैसे जैसे उसमें कोरिलेशन या कन्फ्यूज़न रहेगा तो इस स्टडी का बहुत ज़्यादा योगदान है और नई डिस्कवरी भी खोजने में भी आसानी है. ये लेक्चर इन बुक्स पे आधारित है बच्चों, जो कि आप हायर क्लासेज में पढ़ेंगे. प्लांट टैक्सोनॉमी ओपी शर्मा, मॉडर्न प्लांट टैक्सोनॉमी एन एस सुब्रमण्यम, टैक्सोनॉमी ऑफ एंजियोस्पर्म बी के वर्मा. और जहाँ तक बेसिक कंसेप्ट करा इन बुक्स से आप देख सकते हैं. लाइब्रेरी में भी ये बुक्स हैं तो आप पढ़िए. थैंक यू.